ERC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
Hey, this is James Spann. This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday afternoon, the 16th day of September, and the weather feels so nice. We're getting closer to those golden days of fall. Temperatures coming down, the humidity values coming down as well. Let's take a look out the window, and we'll start with our Gulf Shore sky cam down on the Alabama Gulf Coast. That's one on top of the Phoenix All Suites. Not many folks out there now that school's back in session. Really a great time to visit the Gulf Coast. Of course, the surf has settled down after the big waves from Ike late last week and over the weekend. Up this way, there's a look at the Inverness sky cam. We've got some mid-level clouds up at about 12 to 15,000 feet. Those are over the state, but still some patches of blue sky. We'll call it partly sunny. And up in Jasper, the sky mostly sunny there. In fact, the farther you go up into northwest Alabama, the clearer the sky gets, with hardly any clouds by the time you get up there to the shoals. In fact, there's a look at the water vapor satellite imagery. You can see nothing but severe clear for Memphis, Muscle Shoals, Nashville, Greenville, Mississippi. And we think those mid-level clouds will slowly shift on down to the south, leaving Alabama in a very quiet pattern for the rest of the week and more than likely for the next 7 days or so. Temperature is nice. These are at 1 o'clock local time today, mostly 70s around here. Looks like many spots will not see 80. And you go up to the north, you got 60s over parts of Illinois, Indiana, and Michigan. Very comfortable. And again, tonight we're expecting a pretty quick drop, and we'll be in the upper 50s, we think, by daybreak tomorrow for most everybody. And if this is right, no rain here through the weekend. This is valid through Sunday morning at 7 o'clock. In fact, most all of Alabama dry, just maybe a little light rain down around Dothan. I think that's the right solution. Tropical weather scene, nice and quiet. And as you can see in that big box there, tropical cyclone activity not expected for a while. So let's look at the GFS, the 12Z run. The core of the westerlies up north, big vortex over eastern Canada. Look at the cold air up there. Goodness gracious. Looks like the heights down to, or the thickness values down to 516, 5,160 meters. That's the 1,000 to 500 millibar thickness up there. That's cold, y'all. It's big-time snow's going up there. But around here, we'll be in great shape tomorrow. Sunny and comfortable. Thursday, same deal. Nice and cool in the morning. Low to mid-80s during the day. Friday, once again, same story. Got a little bit of a wedging type effect coming in from the east. We'll keep an eye on that, but should be a comfortable day. Great night for high school football. Saturday starting off the weekend. Little weak trough there off to the west, but underneath that, I just don't think there's enough moisture for much to happen. I don't think we need to mention rain at this point on Saturday. We mentioned a small chance just to be on the safe side earlier. I don't think that'll be a big deal. And the same thing on Sunday. Looks mostly dry. Monday of next week, same story. And Tuesday. So really a nice, quiet 7-day stretch here for Alabama. We'll peek out there a little deeper by about Wednesday of next week. Look at that big trough in the west. That looks like a big snowstorm for the mountains, if that's right. And at the end of the forecast on the 2nd of October, hey, that might be the one to bring the first 40s of the season down here, if that's right. We'll take a look at the surface chart. A really good cold front, good thickness packing there. But remember now, come on, this is 16 days out. More than likely, this will vanish on the next run. But it's just nice to think about. And sure enough, inevitably, that will happen as we are getting deeper and deeper into the fall season, which technically begins in terms of astronomy next Monday. That's the day of the equinox. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.